public records. So what on your credit report is a public record and what on your credit report is not a public record, because scammers are now out here teaching credit repair, like this guy. And if they've been in business for 10 or 12 years, whichever it is, it changes every video, and they don't even know that child support is not a public record on your credit report, I'm not so sure you want to learn how to do credit repair from that person, even if it's free, because child support is not listed under public records on your credit report. You don't believe me? Go to annualcreditreport.com, download your reports if you have if you have child support, and I promise you it's not on there. You can get Smart Credit, My Free Score Now, Identity IQ, whatever. You will see that it is not listed under public records, because the only thing on a credit report that is listed as a public record or under public records is a bankruptcy. So I'm going to show you all this clip of everybody's favorite scammer. Now, this is a very old video, but this is what he does. He posts old videos trying to get new customers, because he has no new content, he has no new results. We get consistent results. We post them on our Facebook page every single day, but y'all just check this clip out real quick.
Wow, awesome. I think that was child support. If you guys have child support that needs to be removed off your credit report, which is a public record, you just saw we were able to remove that too. All right,
So, as you can see, scammer thinks it is a public record to have child support on your credit report. I've looked at thousands of credit reports. It's not a public record. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.